This is gonna blow your mind. AI is transforming global capability centers like never before. Global Capability Centers, or GCCs, are the backbone of modern businesses, leveraging AI and machine learning to drive innovation. By analyzing customer behavior and market trends, AI-powered GCCs outperform their non-AI counterparts by 25% in customer satisfaction and efficiency. Experts like 𝗥𝗲-𝗰𝗵, EVP of Solutions Engineering at V4C AI, highlight that AI-driven businesses are setting new benchmarks in performance. Vinod Ramachandran, Director of Data Science and Analytics at Neiman Marcus, notes that AI's impact spans personalization, customer care, and inventory optimization. Moreover, Anurag Goswami, VP of Delivery at INORG, emphasizes how agile frameworks and digital transformation through AI, IoT, and blockchain are revolutionizing customer experience. So, whether it's email marketing, virtual trial rooms, or swift market adaptation, AI is the key to unlocking GCC's full potential. Embrace the AI-driven future of GCCs